Are you a developer looking for the best code editor in 2023? As developers, we understand the significance of having the right tools at our disposal. One such critical tool is a code editor. The right code editor can make all the difference in your programming journey, shaping how you interact with your code and ultimately influencing your productivity. When choosing a code editor, there are a few key aspects to consider. Firstly, it needs to be easy to use. The interface should be intuitive, helping you navigate through your code effortlessly. Speed is another crucial factor. Your code editor should be able to keep up with you, offering fast load times and smooth operation. Functionality is also paramount. The best code editors come packed with beneficial features such as syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and built-in debugging tools. Lastly, a good code editor should be customizable to suit your unique coding style. Whether you prefer a dark theme for those late-night coding sessions or need specific keyboard shortcuts, the ideal code editor should be able to accommodate your preferences. So, are you ready to find the perfect code editor that will not only meet your coding needs, but also enhance your coding experience? Stay tuned to discover the top 10 code editors that can help streamline your coding process in 2023. Kicking off our list is Visual Studio Code. Developed by Microsoft, this free and open source code editor stands out for its lightweight nature, making it a breeze to operate. But don't let its lightness fool you. Visual Studio Code comes packed with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript and Node.js, providing robust functionality for your coding needs. Its wide range of extensions adds even more versatility, allowing you to tailor your coding environment to your needs. The cherry on top, it's customizable. You can tweak the interface to your liking, ensuring a comfortable and efficient coding experience. Visual Studio Code is the go-to editor for developers who want a lightweight, customizable, and feature-rich coding experience. Next up, we have Sublime Text. This code editor is a powerhouse, specifically designed to handle large projects and heavy coding loads. One of its standout features is Go to Anything. This allows for swift navigation, making it easier to hop between files, symbols, or lines, but that's not all. Sublime Text also boasts a multiple selection feature, enabling you to make many changes at once, increasing your coding efficiency tenfold. It's a cross-platform tool, so whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, Sublime Text has got your back. There's a free version available, although it does come with recurring upgrade prompts. If you wish to avoid these, there's a paid version for personal and business use. Sublime Text is perfect for those who handle large projects and require efficient editing capabilities. Moving on, let's talk about Atom. This robust text editor is designed with collaboration in mind, offering support for real-time cooperation. No matter the operating system you're using, Atom has got you covered with its cross-platform editing feature. But that's not all. It also provides screen-splitting capabilities, allowing you to juggle multiple projects without breaking a sweat. With Atom, navigating your workspace is a breeze, thanks to its integrated file system browser. And if you're all about efficiency, you'll appreciate Atom's autocomplete function, which helps speed up your coding process. Further enhancing its functionality, Atom comes with a built-in package manager, letting you add more features as you see fit. Atom is a great choice for developers who need to collaborate in real time and work on multiple projects simultaneously. Coming up next is Notepad++. This text editor is a favorite among many due to its lightweight nature. It doesn't hog your system's resources, making it a great choice for those working on less powerful machines. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Notepad++ is packed with features that make coding easier and more efficient. Syntax highlighting and code folding are among its standout features, helping you read and manage your code effectively. Auto-completion is another helpful tool in its arsenal, saving you precious time and reducing the chance of errors. A unique feature of Notepad++ is its document map, which provides a visual overview of your code. This makes navigation a breeze, especially when working on large projects. The ability to open multiple files simultaneously, perform comparative analysis, and carry out line operations are additional perks that make Notepad++ a serious contender in the world of code editors. And the cherry on top? Notepad++ is an open source project, making it not just efficient, but also accessible to all. Notepad++ is ideal for developers who appreciate efficiency and need to navigate through their code easily. Next on our list is Coffee Cup HTML Editor. This editor brings a unique blend of features to the table, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and seasoned programmers. One of its standout capabilities is the option to create files from scratch, offering you the freedom to start your coding journey with a blank slate. But that's not all. Coffee Cup HTML Editor also boasts a live preview feature. This means you can see your changes come to life as you code, making it easier to spot and fix errors on the fly. When it comes to project organization, Coffee Cup HTML Editor has you covered. It provides tools for website project organization, making it easier to keep track of your work, especially when you're working on large projects. And let's not forget about the coding tools. These are designed to make your coding experience smoother and more efficient, helping you to get more done in less time. Coffee Cup HTML Editor comes in two flavors: a free version, perfect for those just dipping their toes into the world of programming, and a premium version for those who need an editor they can use across multiple computers. Coffee Cup HTML Editor is a solid option for visual HTML editing and website project organization. Wrapping up, the right code editor can significantly impact your coding efficiency. We've explored a variety of code editors, each with their unique features and strengths. Let's take a moment to revisit these tools and help you identify the one that best fits your coding style. Visual Studio Code, a free and open source editor from Microsoft, is a lightweight solution that offers built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js. Its myriad of extensions make it a versatile tool for those working with these languages. Sublime Text, on the other hand, is built for handling large projects and heavy coding. Its go-to-anything feature for quick navigation, multiple selection for efficient editing, and cross-platform functionality make it a worthy choice for seasoned coders. Atom is a robust text editor that supports real-time collaboration and cross-platform editing. Its screen-splitting feature lets you work on multiple projects simultaneously, making it a great fit for collaborative projects. Notepad++, a lightweight and efficient text editor, comes with syntax highlighting, code folding, and auto-completion. With a document map for easy navigation, it supports opening multiple files, comparative analysis, and line operations. It's an excellent choice for those who appreciate efficiency and simplicity. Finally, we have Coffee Cup HTML Editor, a visual HTML editor that's perfect for web developers. It offers the ability to create files from scratch, live previews, website project organization, and a host of coding tools. Each of these tools has something unique to offer, and the best choice depends on your specific needs, the languages you work with, and your personal preferences. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, there's a code editor out there that's perfect for you. Remember, the best code editor is the one that fits your specific needs and preferences. Happy coding in 2023.